If you're looking for a powerful yet easy to use CRM to streamline your workflow and manage your contacts, integrating Folk CRM with Zapier can be a game changer. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up this integration, while explaining a bit about Folk CRM for those of you who are new to the platform. Folk CRM is a sleek, intuitive contact management tool designed to help you organize and stay on top of your relationships, whether for personal use, small businesses, or larger teams. It offers a rich set of features including customizable pipelines, tags, and notes to manage contacts effectively. It's especially useful for small to medium-sized teams that need a CRM without the complexity of larger platforms like Salesforce. Now, integrating Folk CRM with Zapier takes it to the next level, allowing you to automate workflows and connect Folk with other apps you already use. Whether you're syncing contacts with your email marketing software, adding new leads to your CRM, or automating follow-ups, Zapier's integration makes it seamless. And the best part? You don't need to know how to code to get it all set up. So, how do you integrate Folk CRM with Zapier? Let's break it down. First, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. A Zap is just a workflow that connects two apps. Select Folk CRM as the trigger app and choose the trigger event that best suits your needs. For example, you might want to trigger the Zap when a new contact is added in Folk CRM. Once you've selected the trigger, you'll need to connect your Folk CRM account to Zapier. This is a simple process. Just log into your Folk CRM account and authorize Zapier to access your data. Then, choose the action app that you want to connect to Folk CRM. This could be an app like Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets. Zapier supports over 3,000 apps. Let's say you want to send an automatic email whenever a new contact is added in Folk CRM. Select Gmail as the action app, and then choose the Send Email action. Follow the prompts to set up your email details, and you're done. Once the Zap is set up, you can test it to make sure it's working correctly. Zapier will automatically run your test, and if everything looks good, you can turn on your Zap and it'll run in the background, saving you time and effort. With Folk CRM and Zapier, you can automate tons of tasks. For instance, you can create a task to follow up with a contact a few days after they're added, or automatically add new Folk contacts to your email marketing software. The possibilities are almost endless, allowing you to tailor workflows to your specific business needs. This integration is incredibly helpful for streamlining day-to-day operations and ensuring that no lead or task slips through the cracks. It's especially valuable if you're handling multiple contacts across different platforms and need a way to keep everything in sync. Remember, you can try Folk CRM for free with our exclusive link below, and don't forget to grab the extended free trial bonus to explore even more features. By integrating Folk CRM with Zapier, you'll be able to automate your processes like a pro and focus more on what truly matters, growing your business. Be sure to check the first link in the description to get started today.